Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear into the black hole of digital advertising? You know that feeling when you're checking your dashboard and see hundreds of clicks, but zero sales. Let me guess. You're running ads on Google or Facebook. People are clicking. Your credit card is getting charged. But when you look at your conversions, it's still donuts, right? Just expensive clicks that lead to nowhere. Sounds about right? You're not alone. Here's the thing. Most business owners are stuck in an exact nightmare right now. They're spending thousands on ads every month, driving traffic to their website, and watching visitors bounce faster than a rubber ball on a concrete. The problem isn't the product. It's not even your ads. The real problem is what happens after someone clicks. Think about that for a minute. You're paying good money to get someone on your website. They arrive from different places. Some come from Google Ads, searching for a specific solution. Others find you through Facebook after seeing your videos. Some discover you through email campaigns or referral links. But here's what's crazy. Every single visitor lands on the exact same page. The same generic message. The same boring call to action. The same one-fits-all approach that treats everyone like they're identical. It's like inviting guests to a dinner party and serving everyone the exact same meal without asking about allergies, preferences, or diet restrictions. Some people are vegetarians, others are keto, and a few just might be gluten-free. But you're serving everyone beef stew and wondering why half of your guests are not eating. This is exactly what's happening with your landing pages right now. Now let me make this painfully crystal clear, because I want you to feel how much money you're actually losing every single day. Imagine filling up your bucket with water, but this bucket has holes all at the bottom. You keep pouring more water in, hoping it stays full. But no matter how much you pour, the water keeps leaking out through those holes. That's your marketing budget. Every dollar you spend on ads is water going into that broken bucket. And every visitor who leaves without converting is another hole letting your money drain away. The average business wastes about 60% of their ad spend on traffic that never converts. 60%. 6-0. If you're spending $5,000 a month on ads, you're literally throwing away $3,000 into the trash can. But it gets even nastier. Those visitors who leave, they're not just costing you money, they're costing you opportunities. Each person who bounces is a potential customer who might never return. They're forming negative impressions about your business. They're moving on to your competitor. You're stuck in this endless cycle of spending more to get more traffic, hoping that somehow, magically, more clicks will equal more sales. But it doesn't work that way. More of the same broken approach just creates more waste. All the while, your competitors who figured out this first is killing it. They're going to capture the customers you're paying to find. They're going to grow while you're struggling. This keeps you up at night, doesn't it? Shit, it did for me. Wondering where all your marketing money is going. Questioning whether digital advertising even works. There were a number of times I wanted to quit. Literally, because you feel like you're missing some secret sauce that everyone else knows. The stress definitely builds up. You start second guessing every ad campaign, every landing page, every marketing decision. You spend more time worrying about wasted money than growing your business. Here's what I discovered that changed everything for myself. There's a tool called Newmode.ai that completely solves this problem. Instead of showing every visitor the same generic page, Newmode.ai creates personalized experiences for each person based on exactly how they found you. Think about it like this. When someone searches Google for the best accounting software for small businesses and clicks your ad, they see a landing page that speaks directly to small businesses' accounting needs. But when someone comes from your Facebook ad about saving time on bookkeeping, they see a completely different message focused on time-saving benefits. It's like having a smart salesperson who instantly knows each customer's background and adjusts their pitch accordingly. Except this happens automatically for every single visitor. I was in sales, so I know how powerful that is, being able to adapt to each customer. The AI technology watches where people come from: Google Ads, Facebook campaigns, email links, referral sites. Then it instantly customizes the headline, the content, the image, even a call to action button to match what that specific person is looking for. Here's why this works so well. And when people feel understood, they buy. When your message matches their mindset, conversion rates skyrocket. When visitors feel like you're reading their minds, they trust you instantly. The results are incredible. Companies using personalized landing pages see conversion rates increase of 30 to 50% or more without spending a single extra dollar on ads. Same traffic, way more customers. But here's the really cool part. Newmode.ai integrates directly with your Google Ads and Google Analytics, so it learns from your data automatically. It sees which variations work best and keeps optimizing in the background. No more guessing, no more hoping, just continuous improvement based on real visitors' behavior. Picture this, same ad budget, same amount of traffic, but suddenly, instead of 2% of visitors converting, now 4 or 5% are taking action. Your cost per customer drops in half. Your return on ad spend doubles. You finally sleep well knowing your marketing dollars are working hard instead of disappearing into thin air. You stop worrying about wasted clicks and start focusing on serving more customers. Your competitors are still stuck with the generic landing pages while you're delivering personalized experiences that convert like crazy. Want to see immediate results? Start with one campaign. Pick your highest traffic, Google Ads or Facebook campaigns, and create a personalized version of your landing page that speaks directly to those specific visitors. Test it for just 1 week. Compare the personalized page against your old generic. Watch the conversion rates. I guarantee you'll see a difference immediately. This isn't some complex technical project. Newmode.ai makes it simple. You can have personalized landing pages running within hours, not weeks. Ready to stop throwing money away on clicks that don't convert? Click the link below and try Newmode.ai today. Transform your landing pages from generic time wasters into conversion machines that turn every visitor into a potential customer. Your wallet will thank you for making this decision right now. Stay focused, stay dangerous.